Going on, guys? And it looked like I just woke up. It's a little early on a Saturday. For sure, definitely got to give y'all the cold start. Don't think I wasn't gonna. What? That's how we do. Shit, old girl made it. Yes, sir. You know. A to Z. All right, here at A to Z. My guy Gabe. You know what I'm saying? My guy David. Yes, sir. Just ate some breakfast, you know. My guy got me right. If you need any mechanical work, any cars, hit my guy up right here.
You hear me?
This fucking guy right here. Look at him.
If you want to,
Yo, take some bitches.
You can add you ask you.
Yo, this is it.
Hey, Santa's here.
Hey,
Yes,
Merry
sir.
Christmas.
Big unboxings. Yo, record me. You're coming into the shop, bro.
Let me get one more.
Oh, there's more? What did I get, bro?
You say, yo, what did I get?
Damn, dog. Why is there more? Hey.
Pussy cough.
Who's this? Who's this? Certified
Yo, I
slider.
got the Max pussy rods.
Ah.
Right here.
Stop playing. They about to be. Oh, yeah.
Big
boys.
Max pussy rods.
Stop playing.
You don't close the trunk? Oh.
Come on, bro.
What size worse?
There you go. You know what I'm saying?
What size worse?
Passenger.
All right, we're starting with the passenger.
This shit bops.
Reactive. Uh-oh. What was that?
Yo, Jumbo Rust repair.
That's cool.
Yeah, you good.
In the shop with it. On the lift. See if we can get that front to go a little lower. Yes, sir. Oh, watch it not even be wheel bearings.
Wiggle it.
Uh-oh. Watch it be fucking tie rod, huh?
It is tie rod.
Fuck me.
It is outer tie rod.
Really?
And lower ball joint. Lower ball joint's leaking.
Oh.
Go look at it. Go look at it. Nigga, hold it up.
Let's see what these are. Yeah, what color do you think these are?
What?
The Max PP rods.
Yellow.
Glad you think that.
These are yellow or red?
Wrong both times. One more gas. Blueberry. Shit, so these are my rear links. Shout out Metric Premium, yo. This is actually kind of fire. Like, what? This was cheap too, like. See how much these was? $25 for 2 links. Boom. They slap in a keychain. Pretty dope. Check them out. Alright, got the wheel off. A little assessment. Basically taking these 2 bolts off for the caliper. And taking the rotor off. And then it's 4 bolts in the sensor. Seems easy enough. I'll get back to you guys. Alright, got the caliper off, got the rotor off. That's all I was hearing when I was driving. Terrible. Alrighty, so I got all 4 bolts. 2 bolts for the caliper, obviously. Connector. See what this guy got. I don't even think we're gonna need that, bruh.
You don't think?
Shit look fucking old fashioned. Look at that motherfucker. I bet if we just pop that bitch out.
Hold up.
One
Where's
hit.
the lug nuts?
One hit. Just droop. This dude. We're gonna record this guy doing this. Fuck it. Got some content. Content! Damn, bro, lug's folded. Come on, bro. The only thing I'm scared about with that fucking wheel bearing is the non-OEM lug nuts. I mean, the lug studs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Uh-huh. Fucking front rim comes flying off. Because of this bullshit TRQ shit. Look at this guy. Don't even have enough. Yo, watch out for the fucking guy's windshield over there.
Huh?
He said what?
Yo, come here, hold this.
Where's the third one, bro?
No, hold this. I gotta put this in before I put the
Alright,
third
damn, this shit's heavy, bro.
one. Yeah,
All steel on this motherfucker.
alright.
Yo, come on, bro. Supposed to be kids watching this, bro.
Oh, damn. They'll get there one day. Look, you catch stride, you fucking bitch.
Oh man, here we go. Love cars from Massachusetts. Well, 10 years later, finally got the bearing out by 10 minutes of hitting it with the hammer and shit.
On Dawes, we was losing hope, though. We was dead ass losing hope.
This guy was losing hope. I was never losing hope, bro. This guy. Yo, fuck you. Hey, money man, look at him, yo.
What?
Money man over here.
What?
Got the old wheel bearing out. Some hammer and shit. Got the new one in. What you say?
The blade?
Oh, it's in the trunk. Let me grab it. Got the new bearing bolted in. Finish it up. It's gonna be chopping some shit.